next up, I conquered for Handshake. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. In this, we need to go to the mill and survey it between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. It's super simple. There's 3 different spots that you need to go to, and unfortunately my mic didn't record, so I'm just miming in the background, but essentially you'll be heading to this hill over here first. Then, when it says we need to check the north and south roads, you'll find following the road south this little checkpoint down here. Simply running up to it, taking out all of the guards, and running up to the car is enough to finish this part of the quest. Then we need to do the same thing all the way in the far north of the sawmill. Just be careful running past it. They are super angry. Even at nighttime, they can see you pretty well. But essentially, you're walking to the next checkpoint here. Again, get rid of all the hostiles, run up towards the car, and boom, it'll tick off this part of the mission. Congratulations, you're now done with it. Take it back to spawn, hand it in, and that's really it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.